Imagine this: a normal text plus or text 3D layer shows a single letter, then the font switches. And suddenly the character U turns into a clean location pin. This is the whole trick. Font type Web Symbols Liga is an icon font. It swaps regular characters for symbols. In this video, we will install it on our computer, in my case Windows 11, make DaVinci Resolve recognize it, and use it inside edit page or a real Fusion composition. Web Symbols Liga is basically a tiny icon library disguised as a font. Instead of typing words, typing characters like A, B, C, D, U can output icons. That's why in some tutorials, you'll see someone type the letter U, and suddenly there's a location pin. Go to this website, justbenice.ru. The download usually shows two options, OTF and zip. The zip is just the OTF inside a compressed folder. We choose the .otf font file. Once installed, the font becomes available system-wide. Resolve doesn't install fonts. It only reads what Windows already has installed. On Windows 11, installing is straightforward. Go to Download, click on the file, right-click, Extract All, click on Web Symbols Liga Regular, then finally right-click Install. Then the important part: restart DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve often won't refresh the font list live while it's open. In DaVinci Resolve 20, open Edit Page or Fusion Page, add Object Text Plus or Text 3D. In the inspector, open the Font drop-down, select Web Symbols Liga, type a known working character like U. When the icon appears, it confirms three things: Windows installed the font correctly, DaVinci Resolve can see the font, and the current node is actually using that font. Once an icon is visible, it behaves like normal text inside DaVinci Resolve. Styles controls scale. Color changes the icon color. Tracking can space out multiple icons. Transform can animate position and scale. In Text 3D, extrusion and 3D lighting can make it feel like a real 3D object. This is why the font is useful for travel maps, UI overlays, and quick motion graphics. It's fast and it stays sharp at any resolution. The best way to work with this font is not guessing letters randomly. Enter all the characters in the text field and have a look at the viewer what they represent. This layout shows which characters map to which icons. On Windows, the most consistent workflow is open character map, choose Web Symbols Liga as the font, click the symbol, select, and then copy. Paste it into DaVinci Resolve Text Plus. Character map exists specifically for browsing glyphs inside a font and copying them into other apps.